Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Abigail Ifoma. If you're new to my channel or you're just seeing my video, thank you guys for stopping by. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this week simple DIY U-Part wig on my head you're seeing right now. I hope you guys stay tuned. So the first thing you'll be needing is your mannequin head, your wig net, candle, needle and thread. That's all you'll be needing. So after getting all those things, the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and put your wig net on your canvas mannequin head. After doing that, you have to secure it with pins so it does not go out of place when you're sewing on it. So here is my candle. I'm just trying to create lines on where I'm going to sew on and where I'm not going to sew on. So right now I have my tape. I'll be measuring where I'm going to be putting the center part. So right now I'm measuring 1.5 inch by 2.5 inch. So the length is going to be 2.5 inch while the breadth is going to be 1.5 inch. So that's the gap we are going to be working with. So after getting it, I'll go ahead and start measuring with my tape. So like I usually do, from the beginning of the wig net to the back side where the wig net is, I'm going to start measuring with, I'm creating the lines with my candle on 1 inch. So these lines are where I'm going to be sewing my weave on. So guys, if you're new to my channel or you're just seeing my video for the first time, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Abigail Ifoma. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video because I'll be sharing with you in details how to make this U-part wave. So if there's something you want to know, just keep on watching. And please, after watching, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and drop a comment. Let me know where you're watching from. Yes, and if you're new to my channel, also drop a comment. I'll give you guys a warm welcome. Thank you so much for the love and support. So at this point, I already sewed the first line. So here is what it's going to look like. So you want to go ahead and use any weave-on of your choice. So right now, this is the weave-on I'm working with. I'll just go ahead and start sewing it on the net. So at this point, here is where we'll be leaving the gap. So I'll just go ahead and secure that particular place with the pin so you guys can see what I'm going to do. So as you can see, that is the gap I'm going to be leaving. I'll just go ahead and sew on that particular place where my pin is. That's the pin I use in securing the neck. So after sewing, this is what it's going to look like. So this is what it's going to look like. I'll go ahead and take out all the excess wave on the net and then secure the ends again with my needle and thread. After getting that, I'll just cut it out with my scissors. And here is what the hair is going to be looking like. So I'll use my pin or my rubber band to tie all the hair backward, to make a ponytail backward, and then start cutting out the excess net. I don't need those parts, so I'll go ahead and start cutting it out with my scissors. I'll also be cutting the center part of the net, just that place. I'm going to create a line and then fold it in. I'll be securing that with my pin. That's how I'm going to be sewing, like clip-ins on. So here is what the hair is going to look like when you finish sewing it. So this is the pin I'm going to be using. That's the clip in I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be sewing it on the side of the net. So I already sewed this part of it. So here is what it's looking like. I'll go ahead and sew the other side of it. So I hope you guys watch up to this time. If you do and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Share with your loved ones, let them also watch and learn from it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Like, comment and share. Drop a comment on the comment section. Like I said earlier, let me know if you're new to my channel, and also let me know where you're watching from so I can welcome you specially. So here is what the hair is looking like after putting in the pins, and here is what the center part is. I'll go ahead and install it on my head. So at this point, I had cornrow earlier, so this is the cornrow I'm using. Yeah, it's old, but we are going to be installing it like that. So I just went ahead to lose the middle part of it, and then here is me trying to show you guys what it looks like. So the front, I'll divide it into two and then cornrow the back side of it. So here is my edge control I'm going to be using. So I'll go ahead and place it on the front. That's the edge, my edges, just to make my edges smooth. When I'm done with that, I'll go ahead, because I'm going to be using flat iron on my hair, I'll go ahead and use my heat protector. So after spraying it on my natural hair, I'll go ahead and start combing my hair out just to make it smooth. Since I already comb it out and also put my heat protector, I'll go ahead and then put it in a bond and install my wig. So here is the wig we just made. Yes, I'll brush it out and then put it on my head. So after getting it, I'll lose my natural hair and divide it into two. Use my flat iron to make it smooth and matches the wave on. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please, if you do, don't forget to like, drop a comment, subscribe and share. I'll see you guys in my next video. I still remain your girl, 𝐓𝐴𝐵 𝐷𝐼𝐻𝐻𝐼𝐻𝐻. See you guys in my next video. Bye.